So today in this video tutorial, we will learn about how to use the serial monitor or virtual terminal within the PicsimLab simulator. So first of all, you have to install this PicsimLab simulator, and then we can run all sort of simulations within this software. So double click on it. Okay, now you can see that this is our PicsimLab simulator. So now we will try to use the serial monitor, that is, we want to display our data on the serial monitor, which is also called as the virtual terminal. So how we can do that? We can go to its modules, we can go to its spare parts. So okay, this is an already included spare part. So here we will go and we can click on virtual. Okay, so here we can see it is virtual terminal. I have virtual terminal, so click on it. So this is our serial monitor. Okay, now what we need to do is to now open our Arduino IDE. So open it out. After this has been done, you need to go to file, go to new sketch. Okay, and we already have the Arduino Uno selected. So in white setup we will write serial.begin. Now with this function we have initialized our serial communication. Within the parameter bracket or parameter insertion bracket, we have written 9600, which is actually showing the baud rate. So after the initialization of serial monitor, our serial communication has been done. We will go towards our while loop. In while loop we will write serial.println. So what is this? Serial.println is our function which will print certain string or string data as it is on the serial monitor or virtual terminal. So it is serial.println. So here we will write Nelson Darwin. So this is our okay, and now we will compile it out. And now the thing will be a little bit tricky. Now you can see that we have a hex file link, that is sketch july9b.ino.hex, but we cannot put directly the link of this hex file. So what we need to do is to go to our this directory, that is C user DCS app data local temp Arduino. So we can go to our PC, we will go to C users DCS app data, and here we will go to local, and here we will write temp temp, and here we will go for our file, that is hex file. So in local temp of 9th of July, so here it is. Wait, let me see. Local temp, and there must be a folder. So this is 1:15 a.m. So we will open this folder. Wait, this one is not there. This one empty because it is in the same date. So it is this one. So we can see it is okay. Wait, let me again see. They said Arduino temp Arduino sketches. Yes, we have to go to temp Arduino sketches. So okay, wait, temp Arduino sketches, and here we will got our file, that is 79 and here we will got our hex file, that is this file. So we can copy it out. We can go to our desktop. Here we will paste it out. So this is our file. Okay, you can see it out. So this is July 9b.ino.hex, and we will go to our debug. So we will go to our file, load hex, go to desktop, and here we will find our this thing, that is ino.9b. So click on it, and here you can see that we got our Nelson Darwin string printed on our virtual terminal. So in this way we can print serial data on the virtual terminal or serial monitor of the PicsimLab simulator. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.